Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Rendrick here coming at you with my first ever video, and I kind of wanted to do a video on my Elgato Wave 3 because I do stream and I kind of have an issue with it where it kind of messes up my audio when I use the actual wavelength system. I kind of wanted to go into that and one, see if you guys have any fixes for this, and two, to show you guys kind of the issue I'm having when streaming. So let's get right into it. All right, so what I have here open is Stream Elements OBS. It's the latest version, of course. Always keep your OBS up to date. And right now I have everything with the wave engaged. So essentially what the wave link system does is it plays everything through your microphone. So the whole system, all your channels play through the microphone. I'm assuming that's because the way the program and the mic is set up kind of goes hand in hand with each other and it goes through that. Not a real big issue. So right now, you probably have not even noticed, but I'm in a room that doesn't have central air. The only way I can get air into this room is with an AC unit. And right now, I have that unit on. And the reason why you don't hear the unit is because of filters I have set, which is a noise gate and noise suppression filter. So let me go ahead, take these off, and let me show you what the audio sounds like with them off. Let me guess. You hear the annoying fan in the back. No surprise there, because I can see the levels going up. And just to go over everything with my wave, I have it set to around, I think, 20%. I have the low cut filter on, the clip guard, and the wave gain lock on. I also have music ready to be played to show you guys how the system works. But you're probably not going to continue because of how annoying the fan is. So let me go ahead and get that off. Oh, wait. I forgot the problem. The problem I'm having with the wave system is when I have these filters on and I go to play music, you can't hear it. Or you hear it and it's clipping up and down, up and down. So let me show you that. I'm going to restart the song. All right, so as you notice, you can't hear the music. So let me go ahead, turn the filters off. Right now, you probably hear everything under the sun. You hear this fan going, you hear the music, you hear all this annoying stuff. Let me pause the music. You still hear that fan in the back because the noise filters are not on. The only fix that I have found for this, let me put these back on. The only fix that I have found for this is to go ahead and turn everything back to normal. Thus, meaning I can't use my Wavelink system. I can't control the audio mixers. I can't do nothing with it. It's just raw audio going to OBS, and the only way to uh, lower volumes or anything is to actually go into the programs. I can't, you know, do any of the cool mixer stuff with it. So that's kind of my problem I'm having. And yeah, I just figured I wanted to share with you guys. So if you have any fixes, leave them in the comments below. I would love to try some new things out and love to be able to use my $150 Wavelength system that I bought so I don't have to go out and buy a mixer. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Like I said, this is my first YouTube video I've ever done, and this is definitely some more stuff I want to do in the future with my YouTube. So if you like the video, hit it with a like, subscribe, all the cool things, and yeah, thank you so much.